So I'm Steve, but you didn't come here for me, you came for Journey. So because I've got the shortest guitar lessons on YouTube, I'm just gonna start the lesson. So we begin here in G major, like that. And one of the keys of the whole song is to put your fingers on the 3rd fret of the E and the B strings when you play these chords. Now I'll show you the iconic intro in a second, but let me give you the chords first. Ready? It goes any way you want it, G, D, D major. But what makes this cool is you want to put this thumb right here on the 2nd fret. That gives you this walk down, like that. And by leaving this finger, again, sort of flattened right there on that 3rd fret, it goes like this. So I'm just playing a D major with this finger and the thumb right there. But these 2 notes make it sound cool, like that. And then you go to an E minor, leave this finger right here again, like that. You're playing it just a straight up E minor, but with that 3rd fret of the E and the B, and then you play a C shape. And you can even leave it like that, but mostly we're gonna be doing that stuff in a second. But let me give you the rhythm though, because what you do is you go like this. Pretty cool. So you're hitting the whole chord, especially those high notes, hard like that twice, and then you palm mute the low notes. So that's that D again I just showed you with the fingers right here. E minor. So instead of going to the C right there and back to the G, we did those notes. So let me show you that, and that's how you begin the song anyway. So you go 3rd fret of the A string to the 2nd fret, and you do it a couple times. Ready? That's the 2nd fret, back to the 3rd fret, to the 3rd fret of the E string, and that's sort of the G chord right there. So it goes, and then for the beginning of the end of the whole song, you go like this. So you go 3rd fret again of the A string to the open D string, 2nd fret of that D string, back to open, 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd fret, and you can either hit the open A string or you can hit the G chord twice, which is what I did in the intro. So that was a shortened version right there to get you back into, ooh, we touched and we sang about the 11 things. It just goes G chord, 2 G chords like that. And then it goes into the chorus any way you want it, G, D, E minor, C, and it does those 4 chords over and over and over again. And by mixing in some palm muting and some full strumming, and those cool little rocking notes on that 3rd fret, you're good to go. You're totally good to go. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope it was helpful. If it was, hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll catch you next time for some more super fast lessons, the shortest lessons on YouTube. See ya.